Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to solve the tentative approval problem in KYC applications.
Timeout TV.
Many people who applied for KYC have seen this message that shows that they are in tentative approval. Or even if you had KYC verified, sometimes you find yourself in tentative approval because of some reasons you don't know. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply for KYC so that your tentative approval can be removed. In like 3 days ago I had that tentative approval as I shown you, but now my KYC was verified due to those steps I followed. I also learned it from a friend who showed me how I can do it so that my KYC can be well verified and be removed in tentative approval so that I can do the mainnet transfer of my Pi network coins. So let me first show you in my KYC, and so that you can confirm that my tentative was really approved, and now I was approved before my KYC was approved, and even I was a validator, but for some reasons I don't know, I found myself in a tentative approval. So I went on YouTube, asked friends, but I didn't get the solution. Finally, I found a friend who can show me how to solve this problem. So I'm going to show you that my KYC has been verified. It is loading right now. So after showing you, I will show you the steps that you can follow so that your KYC can be removed in tentative approval, and you'll be able to transfer, do everything on your Pi network or Pi network app. So you see I passed my KYC right, like it was in this evening today. So let me show you the steps you have to follow so that you can be removed in tentative approval and you be approved or you pass your KYC. So open your Pi network app, click on those 3 lines in the left corner, and then go where you see support portal. You see, let me first show you, if you're on your profile you don't have these green ticks, so you have a problem. You have to verify your Facebook account, to verify your email, and even update your password if possible. If you remember your password, you have to update it so that they can confirm it's you. The second thing you have to check if the name you have on your Pi network app or on Pi network profile matches the name you have on your identity card. If the name don't match, they won't verify you for sure. You have to check if the names really match. After checking if the name really match, verify email and verify your number that you linked with your Pi. So go in support portal. I'm going to go in support portal. You see where it is written down there, support portal. So let me click and show you what's next. Let me check my network. So the support portal, it is open. So you see, I recently used the KYC in email request. This is where you put your bid, or you ask your questions so that core team of Pi can help you to solve the problems you have with Pi network. So you might search KYC. After searching KYC, they will give you that link I was showing you. You see, they tell you about KYC, what you have to do and what you don't have to do. But what I need is to send my question or to ask why my KYC is in tentative approval. So I have to describe my problem, to tell them what I need. So I will click there where I was showing you. Let me show you the request I have sent in last days, saying that my KYC is not on. You see that I have already sent 2 requests which their status are still, as I was saying, their status are still waiting for customer care or approval. But as soon as my KYC was passed, so it means that they checked on my status, even though the website is not updated to show me that they checked on it. So let me show you the steps I followed, and you should follow the steps too, so that you can report the problem you are having with your KYC. So the first box you see here, you will enter your username. try to enter your username well as it is on your Pi Network app or Pi Network mining app. So secondly, you will select the number and email used to verify. If it's a number only, you will select the number. Then if you remember your password, you say yes. If you don't, you will say no. And if you never set a password, you will mention it. So next step, it is asking the country of citizenship. So this is the country you have citizen from, the country that is your identity card is registered from. So you may be in the United States, name of the country. So let me put my name of my country, liveness. So down there you put your Android version. Most of people don't know their online version. As a suggestion, Android. Sorry, that book operating system. If it's Android or iOS, is for iPhone. So if you don't have an iPhone, down there is where you put the version of Android. So most of the people don't know the version So down there you put the brand of phone, Samsung, or other brand of phone, or type of phone. That's how you understand it. Maybe Infinix, Samsung, any phone, Redmi, any phone. So down there, as you see, they are telling you that the field to application. So the problem you are having, if you want to select the program that matches the one you are having, here they are telling that you have to select, you have the problem any problem mentioned in these ones below, you can select that maybe I have entered the wrong data in my personal information. You can select there so that it will help you. They can help you. So, but remember, we don't have any problem in this. It's just that our KYC was put in tentative approval. We don't know the problem we had. So if you don't have a problem there, we will scroll down again to validation. This is about applying for validation. So if you have applied for validation and you have problems in validation application, so you can check whether the problem is mentioned and select it. So here, if you want to leave a comment, that is not related to this KYC and other stuff, you can leave it. But here you are going to leave a comment about what the problem you have. So that box is where you describe the problem you have in your KYC. You will write anything that can explain well your problem, so that Pi will help you to verify your KYC, and they may be also send it to validators again to review it if they have reviewed it not well, or they have not considered your information well. So here is where you will describe your problem. As you see, I'm writing that I have a problem in my KYC application. I was once verified, but then the other day I found that my KYC is put in tentative approval. So you will try to describe your problem very well and briefly, so that if they send it to core team, it will be easy for them to identify the problem you're having with your KYC application. So I was writing not well, so let me delete and edit it again. So I have a problem, emirate problem, in my KYC application, as I was saying. So here is where you describe your problem you are having with your KYC application. After describing the problem, then I'll show you the next step. Try to find words that can describe all your problem to make it clear for Pi network core team to verify you or to help you with your problem in KYC. So I was saying that I have a problem in my KYC application. I was once verified, then the next day I woke up in tentative approval. I don't know why. That's enough. I don't know why. Please, I need your help. You can write it like that. It's simple and very briefly explaining the problem you have with your KYC. So let me correct that. Woke up and show you the next step. So after writing it, you see where you can add an attachment. Here you put a picture to describe all your problem. So I'm going to find a picture that shows tentative approval, a screenshot I took when I was going to report the problem. So let me try to find that screenshot so that I can add it so that it can be easy for them to verify my KYC or to understand the problem I'm having in my KYC. So you wait until the picture is really uploaded or fully uploaded. After being fully uploaded like that, then you click that send button. After sending, you wait like 2 to 3 days. Actually 2 to 3 days, they will verify you or they will check the problem you're having with your KYC. If it was a liveness check, they will send a pop-up message that you can do a liveness check. So if you think this video helped you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.